Thanksgiving, a poem by Mehr. O God, O Almighty God, thanks for I am alive. I am your obedient, thanks for the boat back that I've. You gave me a lover for a while and then took it back. I got upset, not realizing what lies beyond the track. Somehow the luck of getting electrocuted and die, thanks for the oil lamp I am half electrocuted by. Oh, of the entire beard and the stack of hair I had, thanks for the few hairs still left, reason to be glad. Of those pair of eyes that were sharp and bonfire, thanks for what I can see now with a magnifier. You gave everyone a castle and a beautiful house, thanks for I am single tenant still without a house. Instead of a Benz or BMW that I desire to ride, thanks for the scrap metal I am riding with pride. All the wealth of the world is being eaten by others, thanks for I am a loser who still cares and bothers. Instead of money, home, wealth, and all its power, thanks for I am a distressed poor without a cover. Of all the beauties in the world so sound to see, thanks for the ugly ones always found to me. In this country of people without a name or nation, thanks for I am to this country a Persian donation. Everybody is getting together by the Thanksgiving. Thanks for the loneliness with whom I am living. Instead of cooking a turkey with the stuffing to bring, thanks for the dried bread that I soak in my drink. Whether you would give or would not give me a meal, I am not complaining. Thanks, the deal is still the deal. Thanks for all the love given, from you to all driven. I am giving back to you all my sins to be forgiven. Ashamed of you, all I have is owned by the source. Having no choice, I tolerate your will by the force. My Thanksgiving day, like any other day, is mute and still. I thank you for that, O God, and I leave it up to your will.